For psychics, this presents a particular problem. When is it acceptable to use our power, and when do we cross that invisible line that turns us into tyrants over our fellow man? A potential practically limitless. Her mutation is seated in the unconscious part of her mind, and therein lay the danger. When she was a girl, I created a series of psychic barriers to isolate her powers from her conscious mind, and as a result developed a dual personality.
What?
The conscious, whose powers were always in her control, and the dormant side. A personality that in our sessions came to call itself the Phoenix. A purely instinctual creature, all desire and joy and rage.
She knew all this?
It's unclear how much she knew. Far more critical is whether the woman in front of us is the Jean Grey we know, or the Phoenix furiously struggling to be free.
She looks pretty peaceful to me.
Because I'm keeping her that way. I'm trying to restore the psychic blocks and cage the beast again.
What have you done to her?
She has to be controlled.
Control? You know, sometimes when you cage the beast gets angry.
You have no idea. You have no idea of what she is capable.
A major pharmaceutical company has developed a mutant antibody, a way to suppress the mutant X gene.
Suppress?
Permanently. They're calling it a cure.
Well, that's ridiculous. You can't cure being a mutant.
Well, scientifically speaking...
Since when did we become a disease? Who would want this cure? I mean, what kind of coward would take it just to fit in?
Is it cowardice to save oneself from persecution? Not all of us can fit in so easily.
Well, for all we know, the government helped cook this up.
I can assure you the government had nothing to do with this.
Yeah, well, I've heard that before.
They can't cure us. You want to know why? Because there's nothing to cure. Nothing's wrong with you. Or any of us, for that matter.
This cure is voluntary. Nobody's talking about extermination.
No one ever talks about it. They just do it. And you go on with your lives, ignoring the signs all around you. And then one day, when the air is still and the night has fallen, they come for you.
Excuse me?
It's only then you realize what you're talking about organizing and committing. The extermination has already begun. Make no mistake, my brothers. They will draw first blood. They will force their cure upon us.
History will be made here today. For the first time, the so-called mutant cure will be available to the public. Now, reaction has run the gamut with mutants on both sides of the line. Some are desperate for this cure, while others are offended by the very idea.
Everything that happens now is in your hands.
You were the one that was gonna do something special with your life. That you were gonna make a difference in the world. Maybe even change it.
How do you know what you felt?
I know what everybody feels.
The faces are for no one. You are still someone. And to someone, the faces are as good as poison.
I can't see! What's happening? What's happening?
Who are you?
A girl lies to herself. Who are you? Does she truly want to be no one?
Yes.
Who are you?
No one.
She sounds confused.
Yes. She was. Which name would you like a girl to speak?
I'm sorry. I should never have taken those from you.